If your TCL Google TV or Android TV is stuck on the TCL logo or Google logo, frozen or boot looping or not responding at all, recovery mode is what you need. Recovery mode lets you reset the TV, wipe your data and restore it back to factory settings. It fixes any software issues that you are facing or any kind of software glitch that your TV is facing. I'll show you exactly how to enter recovery mode step by step. Before we start, first turn the TV completely off. Unplug the power cable and wait 10 seconds. On most TCL TVs, there is a physical button used to turn the TV on or off. It's usually under the TV, behind the TV or on the bottom edge. Mine is at the bottom just below the TCL logo. This button controls power. Now do this carefully. Press and hold the physical power button on the TV. While holding it, plug the power cable back in and make sure you are pressing the power button while you turn on the power. You have to do these things simultaneously. Keep holding the button. Do not release it yet. You should wait at least 10 to 15 seconds before releasing the power button. Once you release it, you'll see the TCL logo. Then you'll see the Android recovery menu. This is what you need. Once you're inside the menu, use volume buttons to move up and down and use the power button to select. Common options you'll see in this menu are reboot system, factory reset or wipe data. In most cases, a factory reset solves pretty much all the software problems and glitches with your TCL TV. If this video helps you out, please like the video. It only takes a second, but it really helps the channel out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.